What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today I'm doing a very glam, very neutral, glittery, shiny look. I just wanted to sit, play with makeup, film TikToks, and have fun. So if you want to see how I got this look, the products I use, chill, listen to some music, then you know the deal, you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay guys, that's the end of this look and this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one.